Puerto Rico is a Caribbean island and unincorporated U.S. territory with a landscape of mountains, waterfalls and the El Ayun tropical rainforest. In San Juan, the capital and largest city, the Isla Verde area is known for its hotel strip, beach bars and casinos. Welcome to the Info Channel. Subscribe and stay connected. In this video you will get information about Puerto Rico: culture, art, architecture, spectacular places, food, hotels, capital San Juan. Official languages Spanish and English. Ethnic groups 75% white. Area 9,104 square kilometers. Population around 3.2 million. Currency USD. Culture. The culture of Puerto Rico has been greatly influenced by its history. With the blend of Taino Indians, Spanish and African cultures, comes a melting pot of people and traditions, as well as the impact of the United States political and social exchange into every aspect of life. Art in Puerto Rico. With colorful street murals and contemporary art museums, Puerto Rico's art scene is unique and full of history. The Museum of Art of Puerto Rico in Sanchez is packed with contemporary and classic pieces that date all the way back to the 17th century. Nearby, the Puerto Rico Contemporary Museum is not to be missed if you want a taste of the island's modern side. Architecture. With its abundance of shops, historic places, museums, open-air cafes, restaurants, gracious homes, tree-shaded plazas, and its own beauty and architectonical peculiarity. El Morro, Fort San Cristobal, San Juan Cemetery. Spectacular places in Puerto Rico. Old San Juan, El Ayun National Forest, Culebra Island, Vieques, surfing and whale watching at Rincon, Loquillo Beach, Arecibo Radio Telescope, Rio Camui Caves, Fonsa's Historic City Center, Isla Verde, and more. Food. Mofongo, Chicken Isopal, Arroz con Palo, Coquito, Recaladitos, Temple, Pastas, Arroz con Dulce, and more. Hotels. El San Juan Hotel, Dorado Beach, Royal Isabela, and more. Enjoy yourself in Puerto Rico. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and stay connected.